Hello students, welcome to our channel Learning Notebook. As you know, CBSE has issued guidelines to promote art integrated education and to make students aware about the vast and diverse cultural heritage of our country, India. So today in this video, we will learn about state Rajasthan and you will find lot of creative ideas on how to create art integrated project on Rajasthan. Aim of this art integrated project is to understand the people, culture, history, population, geography, climate, dances, dresses, food, religious places, heritage sites and famous places to visit in Rajasthan. So first, let's learn about Rajasthan. So this is the first section of your project and here you have to write an overview of Rajasthan. So students, here I am giving you introduction of Rajasthan which you can include in your project files. Tagline of Rajasthan is Padharo Mare Desh. Now let's move to our next section of the project, which is History of Rajasthan. Here you have to describe rich history of Rajasthan. Rajasthan has a rich history of brave kings world has ever seen, due to which it is called as Land of Kingdoms. And you have to describe in this section why it is called as Land of Kingdoms. So this was all about history of Rajasthan. Now our next section would be geography of Rajasthan. So in this section you have to write about geographical features of Rajasthan, like about Thar Desert, Aravalli Range and rivers of Rajasthan. So I am giving you a lot of information about geographical features of Rajasthan. Do include that in your project file. Now, next section is climate of Rajasthan. In this section, students, you have to write about climate of Rajasthan. As we know, Rajasthan is a desert area, so its climate is generally arid or semi-arid with very high temperature. Now our next section would be population of Rajasthan. In this section, you can write about population of Rajasthan. You can start with that Rajasthan is the largest Indian state by area and 7th largest by population. Rest of the information I have included, you can check that out. Now let's move to next. It is religion of Rajasthan. Now our next topic is languages of Rajasthan. Hindi is the official and the most widely spoken language in this state. Next, people and culture of Rajasthan. Now, next section in your project is occupation of Rajasthan. Agriculture is the main occupation of Rajasthani people in Rajasthan. It contributes about 30% to its economy. Then you can write about major crops being grown in Rajasthan. Tourism is also very famous and popular occupation in Rajasthan. Next, let's learn about famous places in Rajasthan. So first famous place in Rajasthan is Jaipur. It is also known by nickname Pink City of India. These are the famous places to visit in Jaipur. Next famous place in Rajasthan is Udaipur. It is known as Venice of East or City of Lakes. These are the famous places to visit in Udaipur. Next one is Jodhpur. It is the second largest city of Rajasthan and is also the second most populated city of Rajasthan after Jaipur. And Jodhpur is also called as the Sun City. These are the famous places in Jodhpur. Next one is Jaisalmer. It is known by the name of Golden City. Here is the list of famous places to visit in Jaisalmer. Next famous place in Rajasthan is Bikaner. It is famous for its sweets and snacks and also known for its forts and other type of food. These are the famous places to visit in Bikaner. Then we have Pushkar. It is located at the shores of Pushkar Lake. Here is a list of famous places in Pushkar. Now next famous place of Rajasthan is Sawai Madhopur. It is also known as Gateway to Ranthambore. These are the famous places in Sawai Madhopur. Then we have Chittorgarh. It's a place which is known to be the birthplace of many great warriors and historical and Hindu saint Mirabai. These are the famous places to visit in Chittorgarh. Now next we have Mount Abu. It is the Rajasthan's only hill station. These are the famous places you can visit in Mount Abu. Now, the next topic for your project is famous monuments of Rajasthan. First famous monument of Rajasthan is Amer Fort. It is located in Jaipur. Next, Jaigarh Fort. It is also located in Jaipur. Next famous monument is Nahargarh Fort. It is located in Jaipur. Neemrana Fort. It is located in Alwar. Next famous monument is Lake Palace. It is located in Udaipur. Next we have Monsoon Palace. It is located in Jaipur. Then we have City Palace of Jaipur. Next in line is Chittorgarh Fort. It is located in Chittorgarh. Junagarh Fort of Bikaner. Jaisalmer Fort of Jaisalmer. You can either include all of them in your project or some of them, depending upon your requirement. Mehrangarh Fort of Jodhpur. This is Kumbhalgarh Fort of Jodhpur. Next famous monument is Jantar Mantar. It is located in Jaipur. Hawa Mahal of Jaipur. This is Jal Mahal of Jaipur. It is another famous monument of Rajasthan. Now, you can write about famous temples of Rajasthan in your project. First famous temple is Birla Mandir of Jaipur. Next one is Brahma Temple of Pushkar. Ambika Mata Temple of Udaipur. Next famous temple of Rajasthan is Mehndipur Balaji Temple. It is located in Mehndipur. Iklanji Temple of Udaipur. Next famous temple is Sai Dham Temple of Jodhpur. This one is Karni Mata Temple of Bikaner. This is very famous temple for its rats. You can see that there are many rats who live here in this temple only. Next is Galtaji Temple, Jaipur. Then we have Salasar Balaji Temple of Churu. Next famous temple is Ranakpur Jain Temples. Next topic for your project is famous folk dances of Rajasthan. The first very famous dance of Rajasthan is Ghumar dance. Next is Kalbelia dance. This is Bhavai dance form of Rajasthan. Next famous folk dance of Rajasthan is Kachi Ghodi. This one is Gher dance. This is another dance form, Chari. Katputli dance is another famous folk dance of Rajasthan. This is Chakri dance form of Rajasthan. It is fire dance. This one is Tera Tali. So these are the various folk dances of Rajasthan. Now let's move to famous art forms of Rajasthan. In the famous art form of Rajasthan, you can write about sculpture, paintings of Rajasthan, jewelry of Rajasthan, and Meenakari work. You can also write about embroidery of Rajasthan. All these are famous art forms of Rajasthan. Now next topic for your art integrated project is traditional festivals of Rajasthan. One of the famous festivals of Rajasthan is Teej. Next popular festival is International Kite Festival. Then we have Pushkar Camel Fair. Jaisalmer Desert Festival is one of the popular winter festivals of Rajasthan. Then we have Elephant Festival of Jaipur. Mewar Festival of Udaipur. Now let's learn about traditional food items of Rajasthan. One of the famous food items of Rajasthan is Dal Bati Churma. Next one is Mohan Dal. It is considered as a royal dessert. Then we have Lal Mas. This is Mawa Kachori, another traditional dish of Rajasthan. Next food item is Mirchi Bada. Mohan Mas. This is Kalakan. It's a sweet dish. Next famous food item of Rajasthan is प्याज की कचौड़ी. गट्टे की खिचड़ी. This is Rajasthani curry. Again students, I am including many dishes here. You can write some of them in your project according to your requirement. Then we have Bundo Raita. Churma Laddu. Badam ka halwa. All these are very famous food items of Rajasthan. Kher Sangri. Ghevar. Now let's learn about traditional dresses of Rajasthan. So students, now I'm sure you have got enough ideas on how to create art integrated project on Rajasthan. Do watch my other videos and share my channel and my videos with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.